What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. Ripple Labs are building new trading platforms, integrating it with crypto exchanges. Imagine the price of XRP when these trading platforms go as big as Binance. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. The digital payments giant Ripple appears to be preparing to expand its network, acquiring an unnamed firm in developing new exchange platforms. This week, XRP researcher Stephen Diep uncovered this news of the acquisition in a new video entitled Ripple: Improving Our Global Payment Infrastructure with Blockchain Technology and Data Science, from June of last year, featuring Ripple's senior data scientist Jennifer Chia. Jennifer stated that notably, we have recently acquired a firm whose expertise is building trading platforms and integrating it with digital asset exchanges, which is essential as we scale the business and enter more markets, and also start thinking about engineering more complex payment strategies. This is not the first clue that has surfaced indicating that Ripple may be gearing up to launch their own novel trading platform. Ripple has already posted few job listings way back in 2020 indicating that the firm has intentions to engineer a vaguely defined cryptocurrency exchange. Back in October of last year, Ripple was on the hunt for a senior software engineer for liquidity who would help them build an enterprise-grade distributed traded platform. And this platform would provide real-time access to crypto markets. Earlier back in May of last year, the firm was seeking a liquidity staff software engineer and a separate job opening for an engineering manager. Both job listings directly mentioned the development of new enterprises for trading platforms. It is currently unclear, however, whether or not the trading platform is for internal use only, or is it going to be part of a consumer product development. In that case, we could see a major cryptocurrency exchange run by Ripple, and this could go as big as Binance. And imagine the price of XRP when Ripple goes live with their exchanges. Bitcoin, on the other hand, could hit as high as $1 million per price tag in this market cycle. And this is according to the Real Vision Finance co-founder Raoul Pal. In a new interview with Peter McCormack on the What Bitcoin Did podcast, the former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Pal says that the 7-figure mark is in peak bull cycle target for the flagship cryptocurrency if the BTC price chart goes parabolic to the extent it has back in the previous cycles. Pal states that I have peaked at $1 million price, but not for this cycle. But this is also possible in the case we overshoot. So I just used the regression line and used the trend of the logarithmic scale, and basically it says that somewhere between Plan B's stock to flow model of $288,000 and $400,000 per BTC is actually the right price, but it could overshoot from there just like it did back in 2013. And if this is the case, then Bitcoin could go as high as $1 million in this market cycle. So I think it's skewed slightly higher than people expect. Therefore, I don't think that it will get to $1 million just yet, but we have got institutions now coming in, and who knows how this dynamic changes. The macroeconomics expert foresees some key hurdles that Bitcoin will have to overcome in its path towards a $1 million market cycle, including Coinbase's initial public offering IPO. He states that the one thing for people to bear in mind is that there is a couple of price hurdles that are coming up and people haven't thought this through. The first one is Coinbase's IPO. If you are an institution who wants to buy Bitcoin and you have got to go through a lot to get it signed off, and the Coinbase IPO comes out and it just happened to be a $60 billion company, and you can stick a few $1 billion in to make money, then it's a good enough proxy for a while. So my guess is that it is going to take out a lot of demand from these institutions in the short term. Powell also highlights a key level as a potential psychological price barrier where many Bitcoin investors will choose to take profit, by concluding that the next big thing after that will be the $100,000 per BTC mark. And this is going to be an issue because a lot of people who have bought Bitcoin around the $10,000 mark would have made 10 times their money by now, by that price range. And that's when they will think about taking some chips off the table. Therefore, we might see a longer correction once we hit $100,000 per BTC. And this is going to happen around June of 2021. After we correct, the only place from there will be up. What are your thoughts on a $1 million BTC price prediction by the end of this market cycle? Let us know in the comment section below. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.